Changing your payout method on LiquidSpace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the LiquidSpace website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to change your payout method. You may need to enter new payment details such as bank account information or payment service accounts depending on your preference. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message or email to verify that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on LiquidSpace. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.